Do you want to wake up with hair looking this good? I'm going to show you how. Here's everything you're going to need. You're going to need 2 socks, clean socks, about 8 rods. It could depend on how thick you want the curl to go. I like using 8, 4 for each sock. I feel that works best for my hair and it gives me this voluminous, beautiful curl. You're gonna need a curling iron, pretty thick one. I'm using this one by Connor. I believe it's the 1.5 inch. And then about 2 clips just to clip down your hair. You're gonna need a brush and some hairspray. I'm using the Nexus Comb Through Finishing Mist. This part is optional, but it's very useful. You're gonna need a bonnet. If you have one, use it. It really, really helps keep your hair together at night. This is an overnight hair blowout, so use a bonnet, it'll help, I promise. I got my bonnet from Amazon. I'm gonna link it in my Amazon storefront, but you can find it at TJ Maxx or literally any store. Just make sure it's a silk bonnet. Those will help with the shine in your hair. Okay, let me show you how I did this. So you wanna start off by brushing out your hair, detangle it. I did forget to mention, my hair is previously curled, blow dried and then styled with the rods. I am gonna part my hair down the middle, like a half up, half down. And then it doesn't have to be perfect. This is just so that you can clip the other side. Then I'm just gonna clip this or put like a tie on it, just for now so it's not in my way. Okay, the fun part. So you want to brush your hair forward. You're just going to clip it. Doesn't have to be perfect. So just clip it just so it can hold. So you're going to grab your hairspray. You're going to spray it, brush it. I like to split mine in half and curl inward. Like this. I'll add a little bit more hairspray. Hold it for 15 to 20 seconds. And then you're just gonna slowly let it down. Don't unravel it. I like to clip it like that. Meanwhile, I do this section. Okay, it's been 20 seconds, so I'm gonna let it go. Next, you're gonna grab your sock with the rods and you're gonna put it all the way at the tip, like this, and just roll up. Now you can release the clip and secure it like this. We look crazy, but I promise you it looks so cute in the morning. Okay, once again, I curled it inward. Just hold it until it cools down a little bit. Now you want to grab your second rod and repeat. And that's all. Last step, I'm just going to spray it. We're going to put on our bonnet and go to bed. I look super crazy, but I will see you guys in the morning when I take this down. Good morning, guys. It's the next day and I'm gonna take these out now. I'm gonna start with the black ones. I'm gonna add a little bit of the It's a 10 silk oil, just like that, and run it through my ends. Now I'm gonna grab some hairspray and just like that, you're ready for work or school. Try it out, let me know what you think.